This is Trainman 4201 and the Nathan Air Chimes Productions, and we're here with Sam Rockwell over in the Road to Nowhere above Bryson City. We're in the middle of the Appalachian Forest, and there's this big abandoned tunnel behind us. We've got a 90s square tag, a Leslie RS3L, two P5s, one's a mixed cast and a new cast, and we're going to get some positive echo tests out of this abandoned tunnel. Yes, it's abandoned, no cars are coming, but let me show you what we're trying to get achievements of. Woo! So Sam and I here are going to be blowing some horns. We're not going to go crazy, but we're just going to tap them a few times, get some echoes. So y'all sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Let's go. Ow, that hurts. Warn me next time.
Here we go. That's awesome.
Damn. Good Lord, hear that thing echo. Listen to it exit the tunnel. Hey, oh yeah. Go ape shit, Sam.
Let's do it.
Give them hell, Sam. face is... Okay, you do whatever, Ryan.
Like the sun coming through town.
Do it!
Yeah.
We don't need to be calling nobody.
But if you want to put this in there, I can show my air setup. There's the horns, or my stuff, my square tag. Got the mixed cast P5. Everything's old cast except for the 5, my Leslie. And then here's the nonsense. I got this big tank that charges up these 2 smaller tanks, and then I've got a Graham White 353.
Let me just say, I'll be honest. Yeah, the fucking light's burning. But I'll be honest, right? Sam has done a better setup than I have. I've got less air and less confusion. All my shit's confusing because, see, Sam's got a small car, so he's able to do a small setup. I got a big ass truck, dude. I've got to know exactly how much feet of airline, how much cubic feet of line I'm going to need where it won't drown the horn or it won't flood the horn or it sounds the horn. You know, it's just, I'm thinking about doing a car setup, but I do admire Sam's actual work on this. I mean, this is better than what I could come up with, and it works. As you can see, it works.
We just about drained 53 gallons of air tonight.
If he had his M5, it would have been gone by now.
You know, and I was thinking about bringing it, but I'm glad I didn't, because there'd be no way.
No way in hell
There'd
we
be
could
no
do
way.
4 horns and 53 gallons of air in this long. So
It goes pretty hard. A plus D, and then you got the RS3 on there.
hey, before we go, this is our first start of our horn honk for the new year of 2026. Be looking for updates on either Sam's channel at the Carolina Rail Fan or Sam's TikTok page, which is, what was it?
Sam underscore R02 or something like that. I don't know.
Also be looking on updates on my channel. It is Trainman4203. I'm about to change the name to Nathan Airchimes Productions. You can also follow me on Snapchat at Nathan Airchimes Productions or TikTok at the same thing. It's Nathan underscore Airchime underscore Productions. All first letters are capital, and you can follow us on Facebook too. Other than that, this is our first major horn honk for this year. We plan on doing another one sometime in the beginning or late beginning of spring. So be looking for that. And we're gonna go grab his phone now before his battery dies.
Yeah,
Other than that, we thank you guys for being here, hanging out with us, and enjoying the honk with us. Go check out Sam. I'll shout him out on his on my channel at the Carolina Rail Fanner. And I thank y'all for subscribing and following along with us on this journey. This has been Trainman 4203 out.